Hello. It's a little bit of I'm a little bit of a daze. You know, I'm very overwhelmed. I'm very humbled. I'm very grateful, and you know, very proud to be Irish standing here today. I mean, you know, you got to move forward, but this has been a huge moment for me. The movie is so special to me, and you know, myself and Chris have such a special relationship. I just feel very privileged to be continue to work with him, and I'm very proud that you know that this is a film that is provocative and that asks questions and is challenging, but yet, you know, so many people want to see it. So I'm really proud of that. It's very special. You know, we've been working together for 20 years. I think he's the perfect director. He's an extraordinary writer. He's an extraordinary producer. He's extraordinary visually, extraordinary director of actors. He presents this film like no one else does in the world. And I just can't believe my luck. You know, I did a screen test for him when I was a kid, and I thought that would be it. And it would be just enough to be in a room with Chris for a couple of hours, and here we are. So I'm just so humbled and thankful.
Hi, Cillian. It's Henry McKean here from Newstalk Radio Ireland, coming from a pool-top bar celebrating you. Congratulations.
Good for you.
I just wanted to ask you, are you going to sing a rebel song? And how does it feel to be the first Irish-born man to win Best Actor?
Well, it's really meaningful to me, and I don't know if I said this in my speech because I can't remember what I said, but I did want to say, you know, that I think in Ireland, you know, we're really great at supporting artists, and I think we need to continue to support artists and the next generation of actor and director. I think that's vitally important. That's all I have to say, really.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Congratulations.